Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up CRM sync between HubSpot and Google Sheets step by step clearly. To set up CRM sync between HubSpot and Google Sheets, start by logging into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the HubSpot dashboard and click on the settings icon in the top right corner. In the left sidebar, find and select integrations. Next, click on Connected Apps. Search for Google Sheets in the available integrations and select it. Click on the Connect App button to initiate the integration process. You'll be prompted to sign in to your Google account. Once signed in, review the permissions requested by HubSpot and authorize them. After successfully connecting, return to the HubSpot dashboard. Now, go back to the integration section and click on the Google Sheets integration. Select Create a new sync to start the setup. Choose the HubSpot data you want to sync to Google Sheets. This could include contacts, companies, deals, or any other relevant data. Next, decide how often you want the sync to occur. You can choose options like real-time sync or scheduled intervals. Proceed to configure the specific fields you want to map between HubSpot and Google Sheets. This setup is crucial for ensuring you have all necessary data in your spreadsheet. Once you've mapped your fields, review your settings and make any necessary adjustments. Finally, click on the Save button to complete the setup. Your HubSpot and Google Sheets integration is now active and ready to use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.